Good afternoon. My name is Ololade, and this is I'm part of those that are taking the economic capacity building, and this is element two, which is this video is addressing the assessment 2.2 criteria, which is to discuss types and process of innovation. Uh, the first is types of innovation, and we have four types of innovation, which is based basically on the use of technological advancements and the kind of markets at which they operate in. The first one is sustaining innovation. Sustaining innovation basically makes a notable improvement on a product in order to be able to sustain their place in that market at which they operate in. Then the next one is disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovation is the use of new technology to disrupt the existing market. They are coming with new ideas that is going to change the course of things in that particular market at which they operate in. And we also have the incremental innovation. Incremental innovation basically happens over a long period of time. It's something that is gradual, it's continuous improvement on the product and services. And then the next one is a radical innovation. Radical innovation, this is the type of innovation that completely disrupts the state of the market. It gives it gives a industrial transformation, and even sometimes it creates a new niche in the market. Uh, we're also going to be discussing the process of innovation. There are basically five processes of innovation, which comes on the first one is idea generation and physical mobilization. This is basically where companies are going to provide grounds for their staff to be able to generate ideas. There should be enough pressure to be able to uh, create that need for that innovation, and there should also be enough free environment for them to be able to think about new ideas and think creatively. We have advocacy and screening. Advocacy and screening basically takes care of the pros and cons, assesses the pros and cons of that particular innovation. It's observe it takes into consideration the potentials of the innovation and be able to do away with what is needed and what is not needed by the consumers. We also have the next one is experimentation. Experimentation basically tests for sustainabilities, the how relative it is to the time and environment at which this innovation wants to come to play, and the customer use how they are going to be able to use it. This takes care of this is the stage where all this occur, and this takes care of it. And then the next stage that we'll move on to is the commercialization, where they are confirming the confirmation of our problem solving, the analysis of the cost and benefits that is involved, and being able to assess it and taking it from the right people to be able before the progress the idea. The last stage is the diffusion and implementation stage. Diffusion stage is gaining the final acceptance of an innovation, which, while implementation is the process of putting up structures and bringing together resources to be able to produce it. Thank you very much.